Hi kitty cats. Today I'm gonna show you my April Boxycharm. It came like really early. So I haven't even done my Boxycharm look from March's stuff, so I think maybe we'll do a Boxycharm versus Boxycharm box like looks. We'll see what's in here first before I determine that that's what we're gonna do. So here we go. Well, let's start off with Tinted Moisturizer, which is always good to have in the spring and summer. Looking for, it's from Studio Makeup. This is a $35 item. So my only question is, if it's tinted, is it gonna match my skin? Tinted Moisturizer. It just says shake. I find this very weird because I'm not seeing a color on this. It just says tinted. Usually tinted moisturizers I've dealt with before have different like tints. So I'm kind of weirded out by this. That there's nothing, it just says Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. There's formulated with hyaluronic acid. So anyways, I'm not sure what to make of this. Like, it looks tinted, you know, but like that looks way too dark for my skin. Like, oh, that does not look good for my skin at all. It's like yellowish. Did you get that? And I am not, yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna happen with this, because I like tinted moisturizers, but I don't understand why they would make a tinted moisturizer in only one color. Like, it just says natural looking coverage. Natural for who? Like, I'm too pale for this. This does not make me happy at all. I don't, like, can you see how there's like a yellowish like tint to my hand now? Look at the difference. Try not to ignore my psoriasis everywhere, but look at the, like, it's like a yellow tone, and I'm I don't really have that. I have a sort of peachish tone maybe too, but not yellow. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next thing, because that's just, it's upsetting to me. Okay, we've got Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. Okay. This is a $48 item. A fast absorbing non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration. I know I probably didn't pronounce that properly. And helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so it's a face oil. Right now I've been using a vitamin C serum like twice a week in the morning when I remember to. Because yeah, I've been doing a crappy job of that. This looks like a pretty nice face oil. I might give it away though to a friend, because I just really don't need more product, right? Like more skincare product right now. So now we've got Aloe. I think that's how you say it. Aloe Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow. This is a luminizer for face and body. I'm already disappointed. This box, not really doing it for me. Not the best box that you've sent out to me, Boxycharm, and you've had some really good ones. I do not think I'll be doing a look from this box because it's mostly skincare stuff. Very little makeup in here. Yeah. This is like a golden body, get gleaming body glow illuminator. So, you can see I'm not thrilled about that either. I think I'll probably give that to my daughter, because that's something that maybe she would like, but not something that I need right now. Okay, this next one is Kinderglow highlight palette. So that's nice. A highlight palette is nice. I can dig that, right? So everyone knows I love highlighter. I'm trying to figure out, I guess there's 4 highlighters. These are the colors. So that's nice. I do like the fact that I get this. And how much is this worth? This is $15. Really? That's really cheap highlighter. It looks pretty though. We'll see how it works out when I actually use it. I mean, they look pretty. We'll find out. We'll find out the truth about them soon enough, right? So, yeah, this is not my most favorite. So last of all, Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. These are worth $38. It is 2 different lashes and a lash tweezers. So, those could be nice. I don't wear lashes nearly as much as I would like to. So, I don't know. That was disappointing for me. For what I usually get. Things are like flying out of here. For what I usually get, I'm kind of like, eh. But, I mean, we'll see how the highlighter goes. And, I mean, the lashes are pretty. I just didn't really... That Tinted Moisturizer is, to me, a joke. Like, I'm still looking... It does not... It made my hand look all yellowish. So, I'm concerned about what it will make my face look like. I'm still going to try it on my face to see what happens. But I got a feeling it's not going to be pretty. It just seems weird to have a tinted moisturizer that's just tinted and not like light, fair, dark at least. I mean, come on. Like, that's just terrible. Just one shade for everybody? That's terrible. Really, really kind of just like, what the hell, people? And the oil looks nice. The face oil looks nice. And so does the body glow stuff. It's just not something I want right now. So I'm probably just going to pass them on to a friend and to my daughter or whomever. So, yeah. But the highlighting palette and the lashes I'll definitely use. Alright. So I guess that's it. That wasn't my favorite Boxycharm. Let's see what else you see later on in the week. Alright. Bye bye, kitty cats. Stay safe.